Third class glossary. Cook. A person who prepares food, an act of preparing food. Unfortunately, unluckily, worried, feeling afraid and unhappy. Slice and dice. To cut and chop something into pieces. Delicious, tasty. Trust, belief, cradle, a baby bed. God, save, return, come back. Stains, a colored mark. Sow, a place seed in ground. Forgot, unable to remember. Neighbor, a person who lives near another. Quick, skillful, fast. Trim, cut closely. Stitch, do needlework. Mend, restore by replacing. Alphabet, letters used to write. Jewish man, a man belonging to Judaism. Robber, a thief who steals by violence. Priest, a person who performs religious duties. Levite, a member of the tribe of Levi. Samaritan, a member of people inhabiting Samaria, in a hotel providing lodging for travelers. Valley, a low area of land between hills. Hate, dislike strongly. Echo, resound. Hug, embrace tightly to express affection. Surprise, something unexpected. Shine, be bright by reflecting. Week, the period of 7 consecutive days. Bow, a weapon for shooting arrows. Grown, fully developed. Gather, collect. Season, a particular period of a year. Foolish, not intelligent, stupid. Enjoy, taking delight. Realize, understand clearly. Generous, kind. Chase, run after to catch. Pray, food, provide, offer. Thanks for watching.